Have you ever thought that a simple bowl of oatmeal every morning could quietly change your body in ways most people would never expect? Oats are not just a quick breakfast or a food that simply fills you up. When eaten consistently every day, oats can have a profound impact on your heart, gut health, body weight, and even blood sugar levels. In today's video, Health for You invites you to explore 6 positive changes that science has observed when oats become a regular part of your daily diet. And by the end of this video, you may look at your morning bowl of oatmeal in a completely different way. Did you know that just one bowl of oatmeal each morning can act as a silent shield for your heart? Heart disease does not develop overnight. It builds slowly over many years through high cholesterol, unstable blood sugar, and gradually rising blood pressure. Many of these risk factors are directly influenced by what we eat every day. Oats stand out because they are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that has been scientifically proven to reduce LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol that sticks to artery walls, contributing to plaque buildup, heart attacks, and strokes. Beyond lowering cholesterol, beta-glucan also helps to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keep blood sugar levels more stable after meals, support natural blood pressure control. When cholesterol is better managed, blood sugar is steadier, and blood pressure fluctuates less. Your heart simply has to work less every single day. And the best part? You don't need expensive foods or complicated diets. Starting your morning with a simple bowl of oatmeal already gives your heart a better chance at long-term protection. Have you ever felt hungry again shortly after finishing a meal? That sudden hunger often leads to snacking, sugar cravings, and eating more than your body truly needs. This isn't a lack of willpower. It's largely about the type of food you eat. Oats are uniquely rich in fiber that the body cannot fully digest. While that may sound strange, it's actually what makes oats so powerful. Once in your stomach, this fiber slows digestion, allowing food to stay longer and creating longer-lasting fullness. As a result, your stomach stays comfortably full for longer. Satiety signals to the brain last longer, hunger returns more slowly. Nutrition research shows that fiber-rich meals like oats help stabilize blood sugar, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that trigger intense hunger and cravings. Just one serving of cooked oats provides about 4 grams of fiber, nearly 16% of daily fiber needs. That means you eat less but feel satisfied. You snack less throughout the day. Weight control becomes much easier. No starvation, no extreme dieting. Just start your day with oats and let hunger regulate itself naturally. Eating oats daily nourishes your gut microbiome. So far, we've talked about fullness and heart health, but there's an even deeper benefit that often goes unnoticed: gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria that influence digestion, immunity, mood, and even chronic disease risk. Oats act as a prebiotic food, meaning they don't feed you directly. They feed your good gut bacteria. When these bacteria are well nourished, they strengthen the gut barrier, reduce inflammation in the digestive system, improve nutrient absorption. A review published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular oat consumption is associated with an increase in beneficial gut bacteria linked to better digestion and immune health. In simple terms, every bowl of oats you eat is like hosting a healthy feast for your gut microbiome. And when your gut thrives, your entire body benefits. Oats make weight control easier and more sustainable. Many weight loss attempts fail not because of a lack of discipline, but because the body remains hungry and stressed. Thanks to beta-glucan fiber, oats help reduce overall calorie intake naturally by keeping you full and stable. This helps you eat less without forcing restriction, reduce sugar and snack cravings, avoid feeling out of control around food. Beta-glucan also stimulates the release of peptide YY, a hormone that tells your brain, you've had enough. Oats don't promise rapid weight loss, but they help build a solid foundation, steady, sustainable, and realistic. And after age 30, 40, or 50, sustainability matters far more than speed. Oats support regular digestion and reduce constipation. Constipation, bloating, and irregular bowel movements are common, especially with age or low-fiber diets. Beta-glucan absorbs water in the gut, forming a soft gel that softens stool, increases stool volume, helps waste move smoothly through the intestines. This makes bowel movements more regular, comfortable, and less strained, especially when oats are paired with insoluble fiber from fruits, nuts, and berries. Blood sugar problems often develop silently, only becoming obvious at the prediabetes or type 2 diabetes stage. Oats help by slowing carbohydrate digestion, allowing sugar to enter the bloodstream gradually rather than in spikes. This improves insulin sensitivity, reduces insulin resistance, and supports long-term blood sugar control. Stable blood sugar also reduces fatigue, sugar cravings, and pancreatic stress, especially important as we age. Oats are not a miracle food. They are not expensive, but their true power lies in consistency. Just one bowl a day can protect your heart, control hunger, nourish your gut, support weight management, improve digestion, and stabilize blood sugar. Health isn't built from rare, dramatic decisions, but from small habits repeated daily. If you're looking for a gentle place to start living healthier, start with your morning bowl of oats. Thank you for watching Health for You. If this video helped you see oats differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We're here to walk with you, one simple, sustainable step at a time.